We've got all the youngsters stacked up in the wine rack. And the old boys having a slumber party in the ferret boat. Who else is in there? Everybody. And you're one of the babies, aren't you, Oliver? You're never going to grow up. Oh, I'm losing my camera strap again. It's just irresistible, isn't it? Are you waking up all the old boys in there, Edison? Oh, there it goes again. Let's have it back. Yes, sillies. Yes, sillies. Yes, you are. If I wanted you to play with it, you wouldn't, would you? Gonna have it back. Good boys.